We learning to fly, learning to build in the code, know what's us when them drones in the sky. Live by Miss Nubian, coming straight out of New York, and she taking these kids to new heights. No pun intended, I hope I ain't feeling them.
Drone components and types. Now, what is a drone? Drones are also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. A drone is defined as an aircraft without any human pilot, crew, or passengers on board. Components of a drone. In the next chapter, we will actually be building our first drone. So it's very important that we learn the different components or parts that make up a drone. A drone usually consists of these parts. The main components of a drone include a frame, a motor, propellers, electric motor controller, power distribution board, a flight controller, battery, a Bluetooth receiver, a camera, a video transmitter, and some sensors. These are the popular components that usually most drones contain. The frame, or the body of the drone, is what holds everything together. Motors can be considered the engine of the drone or UAV system that creates the lift that makes our drone fly. Propellers are what generate the lift force to make your drone fly when the motors start generating. Each drone has two different types of propellers. One that rotates clockwise and the other that rotates counterclockwise. Then you have the electrical motor controller, or the ESC. This controls how much power goes to each drone so that the propellers generate more speed or thrust. This will allow our drone to yaw, pitch, and roll in our 3D dimensional system. The power distribution board, or the PDB, allows us to power all the electrical components on our drone. The flight controller is the brain of our drone that decides how much power would be received to each propeller based on the inputs of the remote pilot in the command or the pilot that is flying the drones. The battery powers all our devices on our drone so that we can have the power to take flight. The receiver, or the Bluetooth device, allows transmission between the drone and the remote control, or your phone, if you're using the app on the phone. Most drones have a camera that also include antennas or SD card storage for memory. Your Telodrone actually has a camera which can take photography, photos, and video. To create video, a drone needs a video transmitter, or a VTX, to take the photos and video footage and transmit them from your phone or the device to your drone. There are multiple sensors on your drone. For example, the pressure sensor measures the altitude of your drone in the air to the ground. So it measures that height or altitude from the drone in the air to the ground. There's also a GPS sensors on some drones, which locates the position of the drone. Some drones, or all drones, have an IMU, which measure the acceleration of your drone and the angles your drone makes during flight.
Hey! We learning to fly, learning to build in the code, know what's us when them drones in the sky. Live by Miss Nubian, coming straight out of New York, and she taking these kids to new heights. No pun intended, I hope I ain't failing them. Mention don't possibly get in the bag. You can start off at like 50, that's dials an hour for learning, perfecting your craft. 4 forces of fight, drone coders Kim gonna teach you the lift and the thrust and the drag. Also about weight, and you can be pro at 16, and that's no mistake in the cap. Earning them badges, certificates by the plenty, it's filling you learning your beam. Straight to the sky, everything will teach you, you gonna learn it in STEAM. It's plenty of fun, classes is plenty to come. Trust me, they starting up soon. JoanCordersCamp.com. Get off the grind and we headed straight for the moon. Said it's plenty of fun, classes is plenty to come. Trust me, they starting up fast. JoanCordersCamp.com. Off of the grind and we taking off for the blast. We learning to fly, learning to build in the code. No, it's us when them drones in the sky. Live on Miss Nubian, come